he'll be talking to me and looking at my face, but when he hits this, he'll hit the pad. When really he should be negotiating and looking at this because this is me. You understand? Yeah? So, first of all, no dialogue. Well, I want you to walk towards aggressively. So I'm just going to contact manage you. Do this. Your hands are up. Your cue to go will be when he does that. Right, and that's when you go. You continue the whole thing. I want you to then move to the exit. Yeah, this is what you've done so far. So just recap. Right, off you go, no dialogue. Pad up all the time. Yes, 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 yes. That's what you did, right? That's where we were going with it. So that was a preemptive, continuous attack that led to your escape. All of these elements were present. There was awareness in place because he saw him coming. So he wasn't buried in his phone, he was looking, he saw him coming. Situational control was employed because he kind of managed the contact and created a barrier. Based on the criteria of the first thing that said you're under threat, which in this case was him slapping his hands down, pre-threat cue, he was preemptive. In this case, preemption of one shot was not enough, he stayed on his feet. He continued his attack until the man was down and no longer a threat. When his assault ceased, then he made his escape. Do you see that in what he just did? Yes or no? Right, now I want the same deal, only this time we're going to add aggressive dialogue. So let's use the, you start my fucking parking space over here. He's going to say to you, I'm sorry mate, I didn't mean to nick your parking space, would you like to move your car? You're going to be, it's too fucking late, you're over something. Try not to keep backing up. It's very important when somebody walks towards you in this way, if you keep doing this, and you're unsure of your environment, what's going to happen eventually? You're going to catch a curb and slip, you're going to go into something. What would be better than that would be, is he starts to walk towards you, just keep moving, just move offline. It's like boom, ended. Understand? So, dialogue, pre-threat cue, put the subject down, understand anywhere inside of your feed you could drop. You could do that if you chose to. For the purpose of this, we'll keep it at 10. Yeah? Outside of that, I'm now going to give you a stimulus. Let the secondary threat come in. If I'm aggressive, I would access the weapon. Suggest consequence to me as you move away. Innocent bystander, act accordingly. Does that make sense?
Right.
Right, off you go.
Dude, what the fuck? How long I've been waiting for this fucking parking spot and you fucking parked your fucking piece of shit car here, man?
Calm down, man.
Some bullshit, man. I had a bad fucking day. I had a really bad fucking day, motherfucker.
Let's just calm down and talk it through.
What do you want to talk about?
What are you fucking prick?
Stay there, fuck! I'll take your fucking head up! Stay back! Fuck you!
Right. So see how, yeah, good. This is a good example of it. See how you're posturing aggressively? Your aggressive body language says go forward. You see that? So there's no point in you going to be stay back because you're coming forward because you're making me a cornered animal. It's got to be stay the fuck where you are or I'll cut you as you move away. Understand? Good. Try one more now. Same deal.
Man, I spent so much time waiting for this fucking parking spot. Oh, your bitch ass fucking took
You can have it, mate. It's all good.
No, that's not enough, man. You gotta fucking get on your hands, motherfucking knees. Yeah, you better do that, man. What? You gonna talk back to me? You gonna talk back to me? Oh, fuck you!
Oh, what are you fucking doing, man? That's assault, dude. What the fuck? What the fuck is that?
You tell me I have to defend
What do you
myself.
mean?
Mate.
What? What did you do? Why did you do that?
I had to defend myself. You attacked me. My apologies.
See how he has to change his demeanour now? See how notice also how he kind of got tongue-tied?
Yeah.
He kind of yeah. It's because it induced stress. He actually got one of the effects of adrenal stress there, which was dry vocal cords. His mouth started to dry out, his voice started to become like that, cotton mouth they call it. Which means a small elicitation of adrenaline was present, even though this was just a drill. And the reason for that is because inside of that dynamic, his subconscious brain couldn't decipher between real and simulated real because it felt real. Now you are creating the blueprint in your subconscious. Does that make sense? But what he did do was manage state very well. He dealt with the threat, went for his weapon, realised I'm just a nosy neighbour, put the weapon away, and then tried to negotiate. That's a really, really good example of state management in fight. But not as easy as you think, is it? Alright, give him a clap, 'cause that was fucking good.